Want to be comfortable while I'm taking my tests and doing my exams and such. Then I have to plan videos for next week. Good afternoon. It's been hard. Since this isn't hide and seek, I'm not about to be going to search for assignments. You should have them all in one spot, just like you have all the others. Girls are extra fun. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 11:59 a.m.
Okay.
Enjoy the sunshine, Taylor.
Good afternoon. It's been hard. Let me get my glasses. I can't see. What was I thinking? It's getting hard trying to wake up in the morning because my sleep is so messed up because I'm trying to do my schoolwork and like I get so many assignments at a time and I'm trying to push a good chunk of them out of the way within the first 3 days of school. It gets overwhelming. I'm trying to fix it. But as you can tell by the title of the video, this is my morning routine. Well, in this case, afternoon routine. Let's go ahead and get started with the video.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little. Ryan Little. Yoga.
This is my fit. I look very bland. I'm chilling. I'm in the house and there's no point or need for me to be dressing up, and I want to be comfortable while I'm taking my tests and doing my exams and such. My twist out is so cute today. Something else that I do, or at least try to, especially on the day, because today I got an exam and I don't want my professor seeing me. I don't want her to see me looking crusty like I just woke up. So today I'm going to do my makeup and I'm going to take my hair down. I decided that I was going to do online school. Now you're probably thinking, why the heck do you go through all this just to do online? The reason why I go through all this and do all of this and still have like kind of sort of a routine set is because if I don't, I would lose track of time and everything would be a mess and I would be so unorganized. Like, it's easier for me to do online. I don't necessarily need to be in the classroom. I could do stuff by myself. But so far, my teachers are dropping assignments straight out the butt. On average, I get between 24 to 30 assignments a week. One of my teachers is tripping, and like, she has the work set, but she has the work opening from the beginning of the week to the end of the week, and I'm like, sis, no, don't do this, because some of us actually do our work ahead of time and want to get it out the way. And then this same teacher, she freaking, let me tell you something, she puts certain assignments not in one area, but she spreads it all throughout the Canvas. And you know, if you have Canvas, you know it's like modules, announcements, assignments and stuff like that. It's like between 4 and 5 separate areas font and canvas, and you're supposed to really put all the work in modules. She doesn't put all the work in modules, and come to find out, I'm missing an assignment. And I'm like, what is the assignment I'm missing? And she wanted us to do an icebreaker assignment. I didn't know where it was. Since this isn't hide and seek, I'm not about to be going to search for assignments. You should have them all in one spot, just like you have all the others. I got a couple other assignments done, 100. Then I looked through my graded words, 0. Guess what my grade was in the class as a whole? I had a freaking 55 just because I did not do that one assignment. Where was this assignment at? I don't know where this assignment was, but I was like, I'm not about to stress about it. I'm just happy at the fact that my professor just dropped the assignment, because I do not want to sit there and do Zoom calls all freaking day. But I do know one thing, with this exam that I have today, they're doing a lot for this little old tiny 25 question exam. They record you the whole entire time. They look at your screen the whole entire time. You have to do a full 360 around the room just for them to make sure nobody's in here. If you move your head a certain way, or if you look down, or you're doing too much moving, or you're too far away from the screen, the system tracks it. And I'm just like, oh my goodness gracious. And not only that, if I'm using my phone and I'm trying to cheat or something, the system is going to be able to pick it up, because it can pick up other search engines that are being used. Nobody can cheat. I've noticed people on social media, they found ways to cheat, but I'm like, I'm not doing all that. I can just study. Even though I hate studying, I still say you do it anyway. Anyways, I'm done rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair and do my makeup, and I'm gonna get to the rest of my routine. I'm done getting ready. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 1:42 p.m.
I have to start work. Get my computer. And something that I do is I make a to-do list. I at least try to. The first thing I do is go ahead, study my Bible for the day. Then I had to actually do schoolwork. Now the schoolwork that I have to do for today, I got like 3 things. These are the only 3 things that I need for my work. I don't need that many binders, but whoop, I make a list. I have an exam for science today, so I need to put something I forgot to do. Even though we're in like our 4th week, I need to print my syllabi out. Like, even though I don't need to, but I want to, because I need to have everything out in front of me. Then I have to respond in discussions, because we had this discussion talking about low fat versus low carb. So I'm like, okay, I need to respond on there. Like, I left my comment, but I didn't respond to anybody yet. Later this week, one of my math assignments is supposed to open up. That's the teacher that lets the assignments out throughout the week, and she pisses me off with that. Then I have schoolwork. I have to deep clean today. Bedroom, closet, bathroom, drawers, clean clothes, etc, etc. Then I have to plan videos for next week and start filming today for a video that I'm trying to do throughout the week. Edit as well. What else? Oh, I gotta work out later today because I did not get to work out yesterday because I was up so late. I don't know if I want to do flag, if I want to do weights, or if I want to do dance. I'm still kind of debating. I think I might end up doing dance for that one. Dance for today. And then there's my regular chores that my mama has me doing. And as you can see, that's my list. And that's my to-do today. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different things that I need to do. And believe it or not, that could stretch till like 10 p.m. Like I'll be all day. Those are the things that I have to do today. That's basically what my morning routine is for school. This is what I've been doing for the past couple weeks, and it's been working for me and giving me my element. I'm in my element, and I found the balance of things that I need to do. So that is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, click on the bell notification, check out my social medias, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I go nuts if you don't stay. Your cocoa baby kisses, your voice I can't forget it. You telling me you need space, yeah I get it, yeah I get it.